Okay, I will quickly walk you through on how you can use emoji in Windows 11 laptop. Okay, so many people don't know that this is possible, but it works. So the first step is to open a word or text processor where you're going to use this emoji on. All right, I'll be using Notepad app, so I'll click on this start. Then I will select this Notepad. Now that the app has opened, it's now to start typing in some things, okay? To start using the emoji here. So for you to use emoji, press and hold on the Windows logo key of your computer keyboard, the Windows logo key, okay? Then once you're holding on that key, press on the period, okay? Okay, so once you press these two keys, Windows logo key and then the period key, you will see an interface like this. You can see emojis here. Maybe I want to use love emoji. I'll click on it and it will be added here. You can use this in Microsoft Word. Even when you're working online and you want to use emojis to express yourself. Or maybe, okay, you want to search for a specific emoji, you click here, and maybe I want to talk about happy, okay? So I want to have happy emoji. You can see there are a lot of emojis here representing happiness, all right? So I can click on this and it gets added, all right? So anything or angry, just experiment with a lot of text emojis. Okay, so they will show up. You can see a lot of stuff representing anger, someone that is anger, all right, when you chat with people and the rest. So let's close this one here. Let's erase this. So there are still other options here. You can see GIF. If you want something like that, you click on that, it will display a lot of them. Then you select from the one. And if you want to search for a specific one, specific GIFs, just type the word here, it will show up. Okay. So then let's look for another tab here. All right. So you have this one. This one is okay. Still part of emoji classic XCI emoji shows happy and the rest. Okay, so you can scroll down to see more. This one is about mathematics. Yeah, if you want to have something that has to do with mathematics or symbols, all right, you have a lot of them. So once you press that Windows logo key and the period, you will see a lot of all these things. You use it to complete the task you want to complete. Okay, this is just clipboard. Okay, so that is all. So this is how you can use emoji in a laptop or a computer that runs Windows 11 operating system. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, okay? You can watch the video on the top to learn more on tech. Thank you and see you some other time.